My name is James Benefico. I work in the fitness industry. I've been doing cryo for 2 months now. I did cryo today to help with my recovery. I found that it really helps with muscle soreness. I've noticed that my various back pains or knee injuries just feel much better.
Cryotherapy is short-term exposure to sub-zero temperatures, which helps constrict blood vessels, reduce pain and inflammation, accelerate muscle recovery, and reduce stress. Whole body cryotherapy is used for injury recovery as well.
What happens when you do cryotherapy is you get a cold shock response. That's the main effect. It kind of activates the flight or fight response. And then from that, you get an increase of blood flow, you get a release of endorphins like dopamine.
When whole body cryotherapy releases an anti-inflammatory release, it actually will help accelerate the healing process of muscle tissue, of joint tissue, to ultimately, recover faster.
So it's a 10 by 10 room, it's a whole body cryo, so you're not just in a little small space. You're gonna go into the pre-chamber for 15 seconds to get you pre-acclimated. And then after that 15 seconds, we'll cue you to go into the main chamber. The pre-chamber hangs about negative 25 degrees. The chamber hangs around about negative 170 degrees. Once you're in there, it's honestly like going out into a cold day. First, we'll start with socks, and then we'll give you some slippers to go in while you're in the chamber. A facial surgical mask, that's just to keep your face warm, to catch your breath. A headband to cover up your ears. And once that's all on, we'll go to the chamber.
It's intense, it's a little scary. Have you ever been in like a walk-in refrigerator where they store like meat and stuff at a restaurant? It feels like that times 10. It's just a blast of cold air.
The whole 2.5 minutes, we like you to move around, stretch. You can dance if you like. It is very intense. Some people go in there, and once they get in there, they scream because they feel it's so cold. And then once that time is up, you'll walk out, and then we'll clock your skin temp and put it in our records.
For my back issues, I went to a chiropractor for about a year. It would help short term, but I noticed long term it seemed to make the issue a little worse. With cryo, my injuries have been greatly reduced and pain is down, recovery is up. It's been a life changer for me for sure, and I think it could help everyone.